took my line. Not yet.
You're not ready?
No.
Do it again.
Start over.
And what?
Slobber on my lips.
Slobber?
On my lips.
Why?
I don't know. I just had to. Okay, I can think now. I'm ready.
Hey everyone, this is Yami, your Latina next door. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have my oldest daughter, Natalia, with me, and I thought I would share some of the things that I've been shopping for lately because it's been a long time since I've done a shopping haul.
She's been shopping a lot.
All right, so this is probably my most random haul because I've been kind of picking little things here and there from different stores. So whenever I share something that I have bought, I'll tell you where I got it from, okay? All right, so what do you want to share first?
I want to share this first.
All right, so most of you know that Hobby Lobby has been having 75% off discounts or clearance items right now, and I have been seeing these for a while, and I thought they were so cute. And I got this one with our last name initial for $1.99, so I thought it was really pretty. What do you think?
I think it's gonna be good on like a wreath or something. You can put it on her door.
Okay, that's a good idea. All right, the next item I have up here are these, I got a pair of these, so I got two different ones. These linen 96 long, what are they called? Curtain panels. I got two of them, and these were on sale. They were originally $30, but I actually, this one was marked wrong. It was $6.74. The other one was like $7 and I don't know what. $7.49. So I should have paid $7.49 for it, but they gave me this price because it was marked wrong. And so I got two of these panels. I'm gonna put them in my dining room. But I thought for 96-inch long curtain panels, these were a great deal. They're actually really pretty too. I got my Vanna White here. Okay, so next thing I got was my a couple of ribbons. This one, of course, because I love my nautical rope. It's $1.99 original price, and they were half off, so I got this for $1. This is great for coastal farmhouse. Don't fall.
I'm trying not to fall. I'm just trying to show them what it looks like.
And then I got this really pretty birch wood ribbon. It looks like real birch, and I can't wait to use this for a DIY. I have something in mind, so stay tuned for that. But it was $3.99, and I got it on sale for $2. Next item is from Dollar Tree. These have been really hard to find because every time I go to my Dollar Tree, it's been picked over. Even that really big one that I talked to you guys about not that long ago. And those were just $1.
God, just $1, of course. I forgot.
So I got 4 of these, and I got them with the lids. And where are the lids? Oh, there they are. Got it? Get it together.
What?
So got them with the lid so that we can go ahead and stack them up. I got them in this gray. They didn't have that many, but I did see some navy ones, and I don't know what the other color was. Maybe like a turquoise.
There was like turquoise, and there was like
I think
red.
Was there red? I don't remember saying red. You're making that up.
No, I saw it.
My next item from Dollar Tree, I know you guys have seen some people do DIYs with these. We got these, and I got, let's see, 2 of the tall ones and 3 of the short, wider ones. And I hope to do DIYs with these as well.
Yeah.
Yep, these are from IKEA. These are 20 by 20 inch pillow covers. I want to say they were like $6 a piece. 6? I don't know. I'll correct it down below. But these are really pretty. They're blue. They're super. They have that duck cloth, and they go perfect with my navy blue and white color scheme. What are you doing?
Showing them.
So yeah, I got these at IKEA, and I got a couple of them for my sofa.
My mom also got these at IKEA.
And these were actually $5 a piece. They already come with the insert, and what I love about these is that they have
There's
a zipper,
also another one,
so I can take them out and wash the covers. So these for $5 are super cute. As you can see, the detail on them is actually really, really nice. She's trying to push my pillow out of the way so that she can show you hers. But yes, I got 2 of these. She needs her own channel. Anyways, yes, I got this at Walmart. It's a really cute
Little stars.
little patriotic hanging
Stars.
little decor star thing. Yes, thank you. This cost me $3, and I think it's so cute. Perfect for 4th of July. So yes, we got those.
This could also be for Memorial Day.
But Memorial Day already passed.
What about Veterans Day?
What?
What about Veterinarians Day?
Veterans Day?
I don't know how to say it. It's close to veterinarian.
Veterinarian.
You also got this from Michael's.
Yep, we got that from Michael's, and I bought that for, it was 75% off. I got it for $6, and I thought it would be really cute for my little coffee bar that I still haven't started. But
And it says Rise and Grind.
it does say Rise and Grind.
Instead of Rise and Shine.
Because we like our coffee in this house, don't we?
You'll grind it. You also got this Tabasco basket from
Tobacco
okay.
Tobacco basket from Michael's, and it was originally $18, but I used my 40% coupon with this, so I was able to get it. I think it was $9.80, something like that. Yeah,
But
I think
price,
that's what it was.
The price is like wow.
The last thing I bought was, as you can see, my lovely model here is also sharing. Is this cute little shelf piece. I got it on Facebook Marketplace for only $5. It's got some nice little details. I can't wait to paint it and distress it. I think it's a great size, and for $5, I just can't beat that. So that was my entire haul. I don't think it was that much stuff.
Why don't you ask Dad?
I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Let me know in the comments below which one you guys like the best, or what item. I can't wait to share how I'm going to use them in my home. It was a lot of fun. Please make sure you like this video if you had fun watching it. Also subscribe if you guys want to see more from the Latina next door, and possibly this little one right here. We hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then,
Adios.
adios.
Sorry, I just couldn't handle it. I thought you were going to say adios. Don't you hear that? Our neighbor's cutting the grass.
I know. Every time I film, somebody decides to cut the grass.
Why?
Because I gotta finish recording this video.
Oh, why can't we just make a little bit of fun in this video?
We had a ton of fun.
How?
Plus,
How?
was this video fun to watch? Because we had a whole bunch of fun videotaping it.
Did you guys see me laughing so hard?
Let us know in the comments below.